Hi, this is Classic Techart and welcome to another video. As you can see to my computer screen, this is a fantastic logo design. So it is a global uh, logo design. So it's very easy. It is one concept 3D logo design. So now I'm gonna talk. Let's begin today. Exactly, you cannot do like that. Just spend your time or execute your time video to the end. So now I'm gonna talk. Let's begin. What today? Just delete all the things I need today because it's so what we need today. I go to the dashboard and change stuff. I needed color. I need to the line segment tool, and I need to go select that. Wait, it's okay. So I go this one. Okay. So I need to go today and change this one brown cap and please tick over here. I it's fine. Okay, press enter and right now copy it like that. It's okay. So it's okay. So what I need to do, back up this object button, right steps, automatic smooth color to the specified steps. They select to the object, happening there. So I expand here right now. It's okay. So we're to do, and I need the data symbols. Skipping. Okay, so delete. As you can see, so it's now blank. Oh, how much data you see? Three two, and I think just cover. It's okay. Okay, no problem. So select right track selection, delete, delete, and select this one to the fact to the I hate it. See, it's calm. So it's okay. It's, yeah, it's okay. So it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Fantastic. So I think they're all good. So select object. It's okay. So delete this one. Let delete. Okay, now it's a clear. Now just change the color. Okay. So okay. Change something. Set. I think it's okay. So gray. Change this again. Stop. It's okay. Just change like that. Okay, it's looking very good. So I need to now opacity something. Go to the like that. So you can. Okay, it's vertical. So automatic, but here you need to thick mark over here horizontal. It is now there. A little bit small over here like that. But the you see look better. Can imagine what's happening a little bit there. Okay, can imagine it's taking. I think it's taking a little bit time, but it will be beautiful. There, it's okay. Okay, it's okay. Settings, and I think It's looking better. So see, it's looking better. So a little bit. Okay, that's good. Now it's good. How can I see? It's good. So these are all. Thanks for watching.